After finishing our setting up, now let us start working on a configuration of our project. The first configuration we have to make is to come from in the config file folder, then we go in config file and we check here down. It is up to you to choose whatever you want or you don't want, but here is where you can set the time zone or even the log date format. You can come and change it here, and you say like here I like to have a long format of minute and long format of second and permission and upload. Everything is done here. Then after that come in database for setting up our database, and you can read more about configuration here. Here down there is host name, there is also username. Here for username we will use root, and for password there is no password, and database name I will use test database. Now after doing so, I will have to come here and I open controller folder, and I will create one controller which will be using, let me call it product.php. And after creating that controller, I will go and enter in model. Let's do the same. I will create one model which I will call product_model.php. Then after that I will enter in views, where I will do the same. I will create a folder template for our project. Let me create a folder called template, and from that folder template I will create some small files. Let me create the first one, which I can call sidebar.php, which will contain our vertical menu. Another file which I can call footer.php, and another one which I can call header.php. After that I will create another folder which I will call not inside template, sorry, another folder outside in views, which I will call prod, which will contain our list, add, create, delete and update. Then inside I can call a file called add.php, and again another one which I will call list.php, and of course another one which I will call edit.php, and the last one which I will call view.php. Now this will be my code which I will make during that project. And for the template we'll have footer, header and sidebar, and of course all those files will be displayed in one file called main.php. Now from here let me close this one, and I just open my welcome model, my welcome controller, and I just copy the code and I come in product, then I paste, then I change here, I name it in product underscore, oh no, product only because it is the controller, and I will change this render here. And again for the model I will come here and I will paste, but here we change in product underscore model, which is extending CI model, and let me remove all this content. I remain only with this content on. After that, yes, now we have